Hello and welcome to 3D Printer Build Along Part 85. In today's episode I'm going to be pointing at this outer left side hood frame. I can't actually do anything with it, not until we've received the other. So the next week will be the outer right height. The outer right side hood frame. Then there's going to be the inner left and inner right hood frames. Then the hood frame can actually be put together. Until then, we're just going to get tongue-tied and point it out. It's the left side. Join us next time.